una nating mapapansin dito mga ka-habiters is yung word na concentric circle. Okay, ano ba yung concentric circle?
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian?
Hello mga ka-habiters! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Habiter Ralph, and for today, we are going to deal with this extra math challenge question. And yung question natin today is, the larger of the two concentric circles has radius of 8 units. If a chord of the larger circle that is tangent to the smaller circle has length of 2 square root of 5 units, find the radius of the smaller circle. So itong problem na itong mga ka-habiters, makikita natin ito sa mga math competition such as Quiz Bee, sa MTOP, or sa mga math Olympiad. Ayan. So paano ba natin ito masosolve? Okay, so yung una nating mapapansin dito mga ka-habiters is yung word na concentric circle. Okay, ano ba yung concentric circle? Kapag sinabing concentric circle, yan yung circles na common yung center nila. So for example, ano ba yung itsura niyan? So ito yung itsura niyan mga ka-habiters. So etong dalawang circle na to, common yung center nila. Ayan. And from the given, yung length ng chord natin that is tangent to the smaller circle is equal to 2 square root of 5. So ito yung chord ng larger circle na tangent sa smaller circle. So let's say ito siya. Ayan. And this is 2 square root of 5 units. Ayan. So 2 square root of 5 units daw siya. And ngayon naman, yung radius ng larger circle is 8 units. So, from the center to this point, so that is 8 units. Ayan. So, units din ito. And remember mga ka-habiters na yung radii ng the same circle are equal lang. So, ito yung drino natin kasi connected siya dito. So, kung ito yung i-draw natin, kapag hahanapin na natin yung radius ng smaller circle, makakabuo tayo ng right triangle. Okay, bakit makakabuo tayo ng right triangle? Kasi etong radius ng smaller circle and yung tangent or yung chord ng larger circle that is tangent to the smaller circle are perpendicular. So that means makakabuo tayo ng right triangle or right angle rather. So yung figure natin dito, makakabuo tayo ng right triangle. And remember na yung chord natin is 2 square root of 5 units. That means yung etong length na to, yung length nito and yung length na to is equal lang. So that means 2 square root of 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2, or that is equal to square root of 5. Ayan, so square root of 5, yung length ng chord na to, or yung length ng segment na to, from this point to this point, and also square root of 5 din yan. So kung ilalabas natin ito mga ka-habiters, makaka-form tayo ng right triangle. So, square root of 5 units and 8 units. So, paano ba natin masosolve ito? So, remember, this is the radius of the smaller circle. So, let's say this is equal to A. And para masolve natin to, gagamitan lang natin ng Pythagorean theorem. So, again, ano yung Pythagorean theorem? Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the square of the legs of the right triangle is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. Ayan, so we have, so this is B, this is C. So we have A square plus B square is equal to C square. And yung A natin dito mga ka-habiters, yan yung hinahanap natin. Yung B naman natin is equal to square root of 5 units, and yung C natin is 8. So substitute natin mga ka-habiters para masolve natin yung A. So we have A square plus square root of 5 square is equal to 8 square. So we have A square. So ano yung square ni square root of 5? So kapag mag-square tayo ng radical mga ka-habiters, makakancel itong radical sign and yung square sign. So yung maiiwan na lang dito is 5. And 8 square, alam natin na that is equal to 64. And to solve the value of A, so first, magsasubtract muna tayo both sides by 5. So, we have A square plus 5 minus 5 equals 64 minus 5. So, we have A squared. So, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. A squared is equal to 64 minus 5, that is equal to 59. And to solve the value of A, so square root lang natin yung both sides dito mga ka-habiters. So we have A is equal to square root of 59. Ayan. And ano ba yung square root ng 59? So since 59 doesn't have a factor na perfect square, so ito na yung simplified form niya. That means the radius of the smaller circle is equal to 59 units. Ayan mga ka-habiters. So, before tayo mag-end, ibahin natin yung given. For example, yung given natin dito, this is, okay, let's say this is 10 units. And eto naman, this is 12 units. Ayan. So, paano ba natin yan masasolve? Okay, so, papalitan natin yung mga given dito mga ka-habiters. Okay, erase muna natin to mga ka-habiters. And kung gusto nyo i-copy, pwede nyo i-pause yung video. Ayan. So, papalitan natin ito. Ayan, so again, yung radius daw ng larger circle is 10 units. This is 10 units. And yung length ng chord naman natin is 12 units. Yung chord na tangent sa smaller circle. So this is 12 units. And again mga ka-habiters, since equal yung length ng segment na to dito, that means, para makuha natin yan, i-divide lang natin yung length ng chord into 2. So we have 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So that means, kung extract natin ito, this is 6 units. This is 6 units also. So we have B is equal to 6 units. And yung C naman natin is 10 units. So yung hinahanap natin is yung value ng A. So we have, so using the Pythagorean theorem, makukuha natin yung value ni A, ng A. So we have A is equal to, yan yung hinahanap natin. Yung B, that is equal to 6, and yung C naman, that is equal to 10. Yan. And substitute natin mga ka-habiters. So we have A square is equal to, plus 6 square is equal to 10 square, and A square plus 6 square, that is equal to 36, and 10 square, that is equal to 100. And para makuha natin yung value ng A, so subtract muna tayo both sides ng 36. So we have A square plus 36 minus 36 equals 100 minus 36. So we have A square, 36 minus 36, that is equal to 0. So magka-cancel na yan mga ka-habiters. That means A square na lang yung maiiwan dito sa left side. And then 100 minus 36, that is equal to 64. And in order to get the value of A, take lang natin yung square root ng both sides dito. So we have A is equal to, the square root of 64 is equal to 8. So that means A is equal to 8 units, or that means the radius of the smaller circle is equal to 8 units. Ayan. So kung may natutunan kayo mga ka-habiters, please don't forget to like, follow our Facebook page, and paki-subscribe na din sa YouTube channel namin. Ayan. So again, I am Habiter Ralph, and I hope may natutunan kayo ngayon. And see you sa next video natin. Stay negative sa COVID.